This is how to play with toys. Now, first you want to name your characters. This is Dolly, and this is Henry. After you've named your characters, to proceed playing with them, you gotta make them stand, because nothing can start until they're standing. This may take a little while, so I might skip this. If your character's leg automatically bends like that, you may not have to stand them. Instead, lie them down silently. And for Henry, anytime you have a Henry, you want to make sure his legs are like bow-legged. Like that. Looks like Henry doesn't want to stand either, so also lay him silently on the floor. So if they don't stand, lay them down. Now, the next step to playing with toys is to first look at them. Make sure you know what they are. Toys. Now, after you realized it, you want to then pick them up, look at them, and then put them down again. So then, you roll up your sleeves violently, crack your knuckles. Feel the salvation course through your body. Then, pick up Henry, and then make him dance around. If you want, you can add sound effects with your mouth. Like that. Then, you can pick up Dolly as well. Make her do the same thing. And now once they're both moving at the same time, there's no stopping. Unless if you want to, like this. And then you can start again. Just like that. And then you're pretty much playing with the toys. But when you're done, you lie them down again, side by side, and silently. And you can pick them up again and hold them in your hand when you want to take them somewhere else. Now, when taking them somewhere else to play with, you want to make sure you don't open your hands or they could fall off, like this. You don't want that to happen. So, that's how you play with toys.